set, I'm still poking my head from out behind. And everyone who has doubt, remind. Now take your best rhyme, outdo it, now do it 1,000 times. Now let them tell you the world no longer cares or gives a fuck about your rhymes. And as I grow out of sight, out of mind, I might go out of mind. Cause how do I ever let this mic go without a fight? When I made a fucking tightrope out of twine. But when I do fall from these heights, though I'll be fine. I won't powder dry or spiral down a whine, but I'll decide if it's my final bow this time around.
I don't wanna live for nothing, just wanna be something. I'll never know what it took to win. I don't wanna live for nothing, just wanna be something. I'll never know we'd be more than friends.
Flipping through my fingertips, lingering. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, would I put the pen? Make a list of all my failed attempts, running out of space again. Highlight all the things I wish I never said. If feeling makes you stronger, I'm the weakest. That would mean that I would have to separate from my beliefs. It's not a secret, I'm a puzzle. Got a lot of missing pieces underneath this strong persona I put on to kid that's screaming on these waters so deceiving. They look different, don't they? Well, at least that's how they seem to me. Cause we just drifting till we see something that we define as peaceful. Grab the needle, shoot reminders in my face that people leave you all alone.